Welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite chocolate girl, Beat by Mo, and I'm back with another slay for you today. So, this is the slay we're going to be getting into today, okay? I still got the curls out. The curls are popping, okay? Fro is on. What? 10. I'm loving my hair like this. Like, oh my goodness. I am obsessed with my hair like this. But if you guys really, you got something to say? He's trying to take over the video. Can I have my video, please? Can I have my video? Anywho, guys, if you guys are loving this look, please do not go anywhere. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I am going to shut up now. We're going to get into this video. And yeah, if you have any questions, concerns, or want to know what products I am using, please check out my description box for all product details. And also, if there's any products that I don't show or you have any concerns or like questions of what I'm doing, please do not hesitate to ask because I'm an open book. I am here to teach you, show you what I know, show you my method, and show you my ways. So yeah, let's have a conversation in that comment section below. Okay, now let's go ahead and get into the video. Hey y'all, hey y'all, hey, it's your favorite chocolate girl, P. Mo. And I know I said this was gonna be a makeup tutorial, but I think I just want to sit back and chit chat with you guys a little bit because I want you guys to get to know me, and I want to get to know you guys. So I just want to go over a couple of things, like what my channel consists of, what my channel is going to be consisted of, what plans I have for my channel, and like just tell you guys a little bit more about me because my channel is continuing to grow and I am just so grateful for that. So I just wanted to, come back in and chit chat with you guys. So first things first is like my channel is makeup. We're going to be chit chatting. We're going to be talking. I'm going to be telling you guys what's on my mind, how I feel, and, engaging with you guys because a lot of the times I come in and I do my makeup and I'm like, I'm using this and I'm doing this and I'm doing that and do it like this and do it like that. But I really just want to sit back and talk to you guys. Like, you guys subscribe to me for a reason, and I see you guys as friends. Like, you are my friends, you're my peoples, you my homies, day ones, day twos. We here with it. We here with it. So I just wanted to come in and just, tell you guys like thank you so much for, seeing my talent and loving my growth in makeup because it's a lot of you guys that's been around for a very long time when I first started my channel, and you guys can see the growth. Like, you can see the growth. If you have not checked out my last video, then you can definitely go back to my fun facts about me video and take a look at that. But since we're here already, let's just go ahead and continue since we already here. But yes, a little bit more about me is, like me, I'm a very peaceful person now. I used to thrive off drama. I really did. Like, I used to thrive off of it. I used to need drama in my life, and now I'm just so peaceful. Like, I will rather be alone than to have somebody constantly causing problems, constantly being a problem, constantly having drama. Like, I would rather be alone with my kids than to have somebody just constantly causing me problems. So I say that to say this, like, I have been going through some things in my life, and it's been causing me some problems, and it's been causing me some distress, and I really am happy for myself because I finally have separated myself away from the things that were bothering me, that was causing me problems. And we'll get more into it, but right now I'm still healing from it, taking the time that I need to get my mental state back together because I have anxiety, and with me having a baby, I did have postpartum depression, and it's still, I'm still healing from a lot of stuff. And I just want to let you guys know, like, give yourself grace. No matter what you go through in life, keep getting up and keep going. Because at the end of the day, nobody has you like you have you. And that's what I had to learn. Nobody has you like you have you. And if you are no good for yourself, then you're not going to be good for anybody else. So you have to take the time that you need necessary in order to be better for whoever you're going to be with or whatever friendships you're going to have, because you don't want to bring old baggage into something new or something that you're trying to build with somebody because of past trauma. And then another thing that I want to touch on is us as the Black community. Like, I know, like, I probably don't have all Black people in here, but people in general, I'm just going to say people in general, don't be afraid to go to a therapist to check on your mental health. Doesn't mean that you're crazy. Doesn't mean that you're psycho. Doesn't mean that, oh, you have deep-rooted issues. Therapy is just really that. Someone that you can talk to that's not going to judge you based upon knowing you. Like, a lot of us, we have friends and we have family and stuff that we can go to. That's all fine and cool. But at the end of the day, a lot of the times we do get judged. And a lot of the times people do say things like, you know, oh, it's not that bad, or you can do this, or you can do that. But at the end of the day, when you go to your therapist, you're working on you. You're working on being a better you for you. So don't feel like, you know, because of the simple fact is, oh, well, my dad said go to God, or my mom said it's not that bad, I don't need therapy. Don't ever feel like you don't need to go to therapy. Don't ever feel like you don't need to go get a second opinion on anything that you're going through in life. Like, at the end of the day, you as a person need to heal from whatever you're going through and give yourself grace. I have 2 kids, I'm working, and I'm doing YouTube. I'm putting out content. So at the end of the day, I do have to step back from the table sometimes and give myself grace. I do have to step back sometimes and just take that time I need for myself to breathe, to think mentally, to just be like, you know, I need to step back. I need to get myself together and then get back to it. Because sometimes life can have a toll. Like, look at everything that we're going through. We went through COVID, and we're still going through COVID, and then monkeypox and all other type of stuff. The government can just fucking with shit. Like, they just keep bothering stuff, and they need to leave it alone before something really come out here and start getting us for real. No, but all jokes aside, guys, like, honestly, I just want to let you guys know that, you know, whatever you're going through, whatever you are facing in life, you are not your problems. Your past does not define you. It builds you, okay? So if you feel like you're nothing, or you feel worthless, or somebody's told you that, or somebody's made you feel like that, that's something that they feel about themselves. That's something that they have to work on. Never let somebody else project their problems onto you because of how they feel about themselves. At the end of the day, you as an individual are more than what you look in the mirror and see. So I want you guys to get up every day, look in the mirror, and tell yourselves you're handsome, you're beautiful, and you're more than what a person says to you. You're more than what you feel. Just keep getting up and going. I know it's hard. It's hard for us all. It is. But at the end of the day, just keep getting up and going. And if you can't get up and keep going, therapy helps a lot of us. It helped me so much because I've been through a lot. I have been through a lot. And again, guys, I will definitely get into it and touch base on some of the things that I have been through in my life. But right now, I'm just not ready to talk about it. But I mean, I will tell some story times on like some of the things that I went through, some of the good, some of the bad. Like, I probably can write a book on my life. But the person that you're seeing doing their makeup, like, I'm not that person that I was 10 years ago. I'm not that person I was a year ago. I'm not that person I was yesterday. Okay? You're not who you were a year ago. You weren't who you are 10 years ago. You're not who you are yesterday. So at the end of the day, I want you guys to just keep in mind and just remember. Sorry about that, guys. My mic died or something happened with my mic. I got to figure out what's going on with that mic. But again, guys, I just want y'all to remember, like, you're better than what a person thinks about you. And on top of all of that, fuck what somebody got to think about you. Excuse my language. I hope YouTube don't block this video, but yeah. F what a person got to think about you. Okay? Because just like everybody got a booty hole, that's just like an opinion. Everybody got an opinion about you, something to say about you, something to think about you. Like, child, F what these people think and keep going, because my whole thing is, if a person takes half the time that they take out their day to try to belittle a person and bring them down to do something productive, then this will be a better world. But I'm gonna shut up now because I feel like I'm rambling. But guys, just let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Don't forget to check out my description box for all of the product details. If you made it this far in the video, go ahead and leave me a purple heart. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Beat by Mo. Because, honey, you know she's going to be coming with the looks. Like, don't even play with me. You know I'm coming with the looks. But don't forget to check out my last video that I did. Fun facts about me. I will have it tagged somewhere here. And I'll probably leave the link in the description box as well. Don't forget to follow my TikTok. Everything will be listed in the description bar below, but it's Makeup by Mo, and my Instagram Beat by Mo with 2 E's, but everything will be listed in the description box below. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. And again, guys, I love you guys so much. All my new subscribers, all my old subscribers, you guys are greatly appreciated. And if you are just viewing this video and you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe, because you're definitely appreciated. Like, you are so appreciated. Let me know in the comment section, guys, what you guys want to talk about next. Chit chat with Beat by Mo, so that I can have some topics to talk to you guys about, so I don't feel like I'm rambling. But again, guys, thank you so much. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye. Orbiting around and then circle back around to you. Coming back around to you. I'm coming back around. Even on your worst day, love you in the worst way. Circling around for eternity. Going through the motions, eternally. Living on my own again. Reaching out to hold you. So here is the finished look, okay? Still got the curls out, the curls out, the curls out. The curls are popping. Okay, if you made it to the end of this video and you like what you see, hit that thumbs up button. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Beat by Mo. So share this video as well. Okay, guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making this video for you. And excuse the extra guest I have. Okay, he is being very, very fussy. So I'm trying to hurry up and finish this video so I could put Mr. Man to sleep. But again, guys, I just want to say thank you, thank you, thank you for viewing this video, and I hope you guys enjoy. Until next time, bye. Then drop them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think.